Hi, welcome to DAppBlocks. In this video, we will learn about MetaMask wallets, how to set up a MetaMask wallet, how to transfer Ether from one account to another account, and how to transfer ERC20 token. If you are new on this channel, my name is Himmat. Here we learn on fundamental concept and practical development of blockchain technologies. So if this is something helpful to you, then press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. First, we need to install a MetaMask. You can use Chrome Store or metamask.io and you can follow the same process for other browsers as well. Now you can click on this add to Chrome button and it will automatically download it and install to your browser. It will take few seconds to download it and install. So this is successfully installed to your browser. Now you can go to the MetaMask. Here you can click on get started. There are two options. One is secret recovery phase and another is create a wallet. Now we can go with create a wallet. Here are some do's and don'ts. You can read it and once you're done with it, you can click on I agree. This is the password for your MetaMask wallet. You can create a password and confirm it. If you want to read terms and conditions, then you can read it and agree it. This is short video on your secret recovery phase. You can watch it if you want and click on next. This is most important step, secret recovery phase. Here you will find 12 words. You need to write it down in the same sequence on a piece of paper and keep that piece of paper very safe, very secure with you, because if you lose these 12 words, then you will end up losing your entire crypto holding from your MetaMask wallet. Here I am showing, because this is a demo video, I am not going to use this wallet anymore. After this video I am going to remove MetaMask. Here we need to confirm these 12 words in the same sequence. Dream deliver depth. So once you confirm this, your MetaMask wallet setup is done. Here we have successfully installed and set up our MetaMask. Now this will create one account for us. You can copy that account address and you can check into the Etherscan. Etherscan is nothing but you can track all the activity for this wallet. So if you see here, 0 Ether is there and value is also 0. There is another testnet is there. You can, while development, you can use this testnet to develop your dApps. Then you need to enable the test network from here, either to use show and hide, or you can go to the setting and then advanced and go to the show and hide option and enable that option. You can close this and you can see the different test networks. Now let's see how we can get the test ether for this account. Copy the account address, and there are multiple ways to get the test ether. The first one, here you can make a tweet or publish a post and copy that post or tweet URL and paste it in social network URL and request for ether. Second way, from the chain link. Here you can select the Ethereum ring B, paste your address and send a request. This will send you 10 test link, that is ERC20 token and 0.1 ether. So you can use this ether and ERC20 token for your development purpose. So if you refresh this, you can see, yeah, you can see ether is already created. Now you can create another account. Let's see how we can transfer that from one account to another account. Let's create another account, account 2, and this is how we can create multiple accounts in the same MetaMask wallet. So secret recovery phase is used for entire MetaMask wallets, and there are multiple accounts in it. So you can copy this account address, and here you can use the send option, paste that account address over here and enter the amount, what amount you want to transfer to that particular account. And once you click on the next, you will see few parameters, that is gas. So gas fee, you can edit the gas fee. If you want to faster transition, then you can go for high, and once you confirm it, yeah, the transaction has been sent to the Ethereum blockchain. You can view the transaction details from here. So what is the status of the transaction, what is the amount and everything. You can also see the gas fee. Here you can track all the activities on etherscan.io. I think transaction got completed. You can see account 2 has created with the ether. Now just check. Yeah, it's successfully completed, right? You can also see the gas fee, which is extra on top of the amount. Now see some account details. Like we have the secret recovery phase for entire MetaMask wallet. We have the private key for each account. So we have two accounts. We have two private keys for each account. Here you can write the password of the MetaMask, and this is another important step or another important password. You need to write it down on a piece of paper. Yeah, now you can explore some other settings from here. You can click on setting and you can check all the setting and you can play around. There are multiple options available here. You can play with this and get familiar with the MetaMask. Now let's try to transfer ERC20 token from one account to another account. So this is our wallet. This is one ERC20 token, link token is there. So you can copy this contact address from here, and you need to transfer it. So you need to first import it in order to show that balance. Oops, this is mainnet, I guess. Go to the ring and you can import token from here. You just need to add the token contact address, token symbol and token decimal will automatically populate it, import it. Yeah, here you go. So you have 10 links in your account. Now you can transfer that 10 link few link token to other account. You can copy the account address, go to the account one and click on send link. You can paste the account address, number of tokens you want to transfer. You can mention it over here and click on next. So here again you need to pay some gas fees. This gas fees is always in ETH. So account transaction has been submitted to the blockchain. If you want, you can track it on the Etherscan. You can check all the details from to number of tokens. Yeah, I think it got successfully transferred. You can check. Yeah, balance is 7 link. You can go to the other account, account 2, and check if that is created or not. Import token. This is wallet address, I guess. Go to the chain link, copy the contract address. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, link. Just add the token. So if you see, 3 links are already credited from account 1. So this is how you can transfer any ERC20 token from one account to another account. There are other options to add some custom network. So you can click on add network and here you can add a new network. for example Binance Smart Chain, Matic. So we will see that in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.